Guy's got a massive bindi.
Hey, Megan. So, we just gotta go use the dryer. Taylor's taking a photo. Say hello, Taylor. And this is our wreckings. Oh my goodness. Oh my god.
Look at my jeans. It's beautiful.
And
They're
he
wet.
left his jeans outside.
Look at my
which is
head.
funny. Look at
It's
Hannah's
wet.
hair. Look at them all looking crap. Okay.
Wow, we look gorgeous.
Look at the
So,
keys bouncing
Look at
off
us.
my
Look at this. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous. We're all gorgeous.
So we're on a track to go to the front check-in desk to see if we can get some coins
For the dryer.
because
These are the coins we need to get changed.
why are you carrying them?
Because I'm a waiter. A pet waiter.
Say hello to the video, Taylor. She's
We've been
not
doing
happy.
vlogs.
She's so grumpy.
But it's a really yucky day, as you can see. It's
And
kind of running.
I think that we should go back to my house in my big theatre room.
Oh, puddles!
I think we should too. I agree. Well, I think we should have had one of these. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. We love the rain.
Yeah, we love it.
We love camping in the rain.
Look at my
We
shoes.
love sleeping in the rain.
Rochelle's got the wicked.
We get went to the west, mate.
Yeah, socks on. Jake running. But you can see, and they had a jumping pillow here, but no, of course that's deflated down because it's raining and too dangerous.
I dare you to jump in it. I dare you. My pants will get
Do it for the camera.
Do it for the camera.
On the way
Oh, that
back.
one. Do it.
Yeah, jump. He's
Yeah.
gonna jump in the puddle if you can see.
I'm gonna pop some sadness. We got to take my back, yeah. Guys, shut up. Like a bird
Oh,
on a-
jump in that puddle over there. There's a pillow thing. But it's raining, so it's flooded. Birds flying over. It's a great place to holiday otherwise.
Guys, we should totally just ask if we can get like a refund.
For one night. Do you think they'll do it?
Why, would you
No.
go home?
Seriously, and like go out to dinner tonight and then just fucking go home.
We could go anywhere out to dinner. We can.
this morning.
Not this morning, next morning.
No,
We
they-
can go
they won't-
anywhere.
They won't refund because we still chose to book it.
We didn't know it was going to rain like 3 months ago.
Yeah, but they won't refund.
Ask anyway. Hannah, you got the guts.
I said
Oh
my
my God.
parents will let you all sleep in my theatre and we'll be watching movies all night.
We can get anywhere.
I
to-
just want to dinner. I just want to cry.
Don't
Cry my eyes out. Oh,
Yucky,
my
yucky.
Why are you gonna cry?
I'm joking. I actually want to cry.
Yeah, it's heaps fun. Camping in
Have
the
fun,
rain.
you two. Like practically all of you tend to absolutely saturated. I'm the only one who has like a decent tent.
It's not our fault that you gave yourself a good tent.
No.
No, but you can fit another 2 people in your tent.
Do you think Jack's gonna want that?
Exactly. So
Because
that-
Jack's a little princess.
Exactly.
No, Jack just wants to get laid.
Crap.
Exactly. And now Maddie has to stop that video.
That's why.
So she just talked about Jack wanting to get laid.
Did I? Oh, I didn't.
she did.
Have a nice day.
No.
Okay,
Holiday
We're
activities,
in a
have a
new
nice
one.
day.
We're in a new one.
Okay.